Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I have a special guest, my Aunt Pita.
Hi guys, today we're going to make peach cobbler.
The ingredients are
Flour, a stick of butter, sugar, vanilla, extract, peaches, baking powder, milk, and cinnamon. And now we're going to mix the ingredients. So 1.5 cup of flour, 1 cup of sugar, a pinch of salt, 1.5 cup of milk, and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. And guys, we will have all of the measurements of the ingredients down below.
Now we're gonna melt the stick of butter. Hey guys, my peach cobbler is all finished. Look at it. Guys, that was so good.
Don't forget to comment and subscribe.
See you in the next one, Cowabunga.
Cowabunga, really.
See you in the next one, Cowabunga.